Thank you, Mommy. Can Mommy have it? Mama? Come on, Mama. Hey, you do good. Why do you take it back? No? Okay, here. Yeah, give Mama. No? Give Mama. Mama, here. Thank you. Want me to eat it? Oh, you want it back? Okay, you would take it back. Okay. Hey, what happened to sharing, Ryan? You have 2 more left. 2 more blueberries left. Okay, last one for Mommy. Can Mommy have the last one? My last one? No? You still want to eat the last one? All done? All done? All done? Okay, all done now. Let's put it away. All done. And give Mama the last blueberry. Can Mommy have the blueberry? Give Mama a blueberry. Yeah, give Mama a blueberry. Okay. Give me. You just took it back. Okay. Okay, no more. All done. All done. Ryan's 13 months old. He's eating his blueberries, whole pieces. Here. You missed that piece. You just spit it out. Put it back in. It's June 26th, 2014. Okay, drink some water. You want to drink some water? No? No more blueberries. I'll finish. No more. Yeah, I'll finish. Oh, yay. 又不乖了。